In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can insert degree sign in Microsoft Excel in two different ways. So let's start. Here you can see this is our demo file and this is our day 1, day 2 and day 3. We are going to insert degree sign in this. Suppose we are going to insert in this cell a degree sign. How you can do it? Just go through the cell and then you can see a tab which is insert. Go there and there is an option which is small symbol. Click there and just find the degree sign. Here you can find the degree sign and then select this degree sign and then go to insert. Then close the tab. Now you can see there is a degree sign here and we are going to insert a C which is like this. That means it's showing that this is temperature in degrees Celsius. Now let's move to the second way. You can also do it by selecting these cells and go to format option on clicking right side of your mouse. Then you can see an option which is format cell. Click there and there is an option which is customs. Then click the customs and now you can see an option which is general. Just clear the general and enter 0 then a degree sign. How you can insert a degree sign? Just enter Alt of your keyboard and press it and enter 0176. Then release the Alt key. You will see a degree sign there and then insert C. Just click OK. Now you can, if you enter any of the value there, suppose in the day 1 the temperature was 30 degrees Celsius, just enter 30 and click enter. You will see this is 30 degrees Celsius. And now if you enter 25 then you will see 25 degrees Celsius. Hope that you got the answer. This is how you can easily insert degree sign of your Microsoft Excel file. Hope that you like this video. Thank you for watching the video.